Good morning students, I hope you all are doing great at your places and today we'll be studying about verbs and auxiliary verbs के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So let's just begin. Title of our chapter is the verb and of course the auxiliaries, right? So there is a warm-up exercise. You have to make a list of all the auxiliary verbs. So first we'll be studying and then you will make a list of all the auxiliary verbs on your own. Now just read the following sentences very carefully. That the porter makes the earthen pots बनाते हैं. Children are playing in the field. बच्चे field में खेल रहे हैं. I have eaten my food. मैंने अपना खाना खा लिया है. Right? There are so many birds in the tree. बहुत सारी birds हैं trees में. The woodcutter has an axe. Woodcutter के पास एक axe है. In the above sentences जो colored word है basically tells us the action or you can say state of being and of course the possession. और hence ये जो colored words हैं इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं verbs, right? So thus we can say the words which tells us action or you can say state of being is known as verb. That is action doing words are known as verb. Moving on to the kinds of verb. Verbs are of following types. First is of transitive verbs. A verb which requires a subject, which requires an object जिसमें object चाहिए होता है to complete its meaning इसको हम transitive verb बोलते हैं. The mother cooks food, right? Naman threw the ball, right? In the above sentences जो verb हैं, it would not be able to make their meaning more clearer without the words जैसे कि food और ball. These words are called objects बोलते हैं and hence the action which is denoted by the verbs they passes on to them. उनके पास जाता है. Right. Now, second one is the intransitive verbs. A verb which does not require an object to complete its meaning, उसको हम intransitive verb बोलते हैं. जैसे कि the child cries loudly and grandpa जो है it walks slowly, right? In the above sentences जो colored words, colored verbs होते हैं उनको हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? Intransitive and because they are not followed by any object and hence they are intransitive verbs. Moving on to the next is auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are known as helping verbs बोलते हैं इन्हें. We use them, हम इनका use करते हैं with the main verbs so that we can make these sentences. Some of the auxiliary verb is are, am, was, were, have, has, do, does, did, right? Can, may, will, shall, must, ये सब auxiliaries and sometimes we can use these auxiliary verbs as the main verbs. Auxiliary verbs भी दो type की होती हैं and they are, first is the primary auxiliary. These verbs they are not many in number ज़्यादा नहीं है. They are be, do और have verbs. There are बहुत सारी several forms हैं of each of these which is given below. First primary auxiliaries कहाँ use होती हैं? To form the tense बनाने के लिए. जैसे I am going to school. To form the negatives. He does not go to school. नहीं जाता है. To form questions. Have you completed your homework? Right. To form passive voice. The poem has been composed by Jane Tyler. Primary auxiliary is, are, am, was, were, has, have, do, does. They change according to what? They change according to the person and of course the number of subject. I am eating food. This is first person. You are cooking food. This is second person, right? He is reading book. This is third person and it is of course singular in number. Singular है ये. They have done their homework. This is a third person. Of course it is plural in number. Next is modal auxiliaries के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. जो वर्ब्स होती हैं जैसे कैन, कुड, मे, माइट, शैल, शुड, विल, मस्ट, ऑट टू, यूज टू, नीड, देयर, ये सब क्या है? मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज है. मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज वो होती हैं विच एक्सप्रेस द आइडिया ऑफ एबिलिटी, पॉसिबिलिटी, परमिशन, ऑब्लिगेशन, ड्यूटी. इन्हीं सबको हम क्या बोलते हैं? मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी. दे डू नॉट चेंज विद द पर्सन एंड ऑफ कोर्स द नंबर ऑफ सब्जेक्ट. What are the uses of modal auxiliary? Can or could. Can is used to express the ability कि आप उसको कर सकते हैं, आपके अंदर क्षमता है. I can solve this sum and I am able to solve this sum. Can is used to express the permission. He can take my book. वो ले सकता है. He is allowed to take my book. Could is used. Could किसका past form है? Can and it is used to express the past ability. Right? I could swim across the river. Across this river in a minute. जब मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा young था. Can or could they are also used to form negatives using not के लिए. जैसे I could not or couldn't go visit the zoo. Next is may or might. देखिए may is used to express the possibility. चीजें हो सकती हैं. It is raining cats and dogs. It is raining cats and dog means बहुत ही मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है. वासु may not come. शायद वो ना आए. May is used to ask the permission. May I come in, sir? क्या मैं आ सकता हूँ? May is mostly used to seek the permission from the senior teachers and officers, of course, with friends. And equals हम लोग क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? Can. May is used to express a request. May I go to the terrace or for a breath of fresh air. Might is used to express the possibility. He is a miser but he might lend you the money. Might is used to express a remote possibility of doing something. मतलब something कुछ होने वाला है. Something happening. He has not studied a bit but he might manage a decent score उसका आ जाएगा. Might is also used for the past tense of may in the indirect speech. She said that she might get admission in the MRS merit. May और might जो होते हैं they are also used to form the negative not, जैसे कि I may not live in this house. Will or shall, देखिए will जो होता है, will in the first person it expresses the willingness, promises and of course the determination. I will give you my new pen, मैं आपको अपना पेन दे दूंगा. Will in the second or third person में it express the simple future tense. You will finish the work by tomorrow. Will is also used to express a polite request or you can say offer in a question form. जैसे will they open the door, क्या वो दरवाजा खोल देंगे. Shall be first person के लिए होता है. I or we they express the simple future tense. जैसे I shall leave for Delhi next week. Shall in the second में you और third में he, she, it, they what they express command and promise. She shall have her library card by the end of this month. Shall I use to express an offer, you can an offer of service or suggestion in the question form. Shall I open the door, क्या मैं आपके लिए दरवाजा खोल सकता हूँ. Will or shall they are also used to make negative by using not, that she won't or you can say she will not tell a lie, right. Would or should कैसे use होते हैं. Would or should they are the past form of will and shall respectively, right. He said that she should go for a picnic, right. Would is also used to express the habitual action in the past. When I was young I would get up early in the morning, जल्दी उठ जाया करता था. Should is used to express the obligation. We should help the needy की help करनी चाहिए. Would and should they are also used to form negatives by using the not. I would not or wouldn't accept her proposal. We should or shouldn't break our promise. Next is must or you can say ought to. Must is used to express strong obligation and you can say compulsion. We must walk fast or we shall miss the flight. Ought to is used to express the obligation. You ought to sleep on time. Must and ought to, they are used to form the negatives by using not. We must not or you can say must not hurt others. We ought or ought not to insult anyone, right. Moving on to the short recap. A word which expresses an action or state of being, what a person or thing is doing or you can say express that what is done to a person, इसको हम बोलते हैं verb. Verbs दो kind की होती है, transitive intransitive. Auxiliary verbs को helping verb भी बोलते हैं. There are two kinds, primary auxiliary and modal auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries are to, have, be, right. Modal auxiliaries are could, can, shall, should, used to, dare, must, will, would, ought to, right. Moving on to the exercise. First we'll be doing this OMR sheet which is given below. The words which tell the action, they are known as verb, right. Transitive verbs पे क्या होता है, it requires an object, right. Auxiliary verbs को helping verb भी बोला जाता है. This is a modal auxiliary verb, that is can, could, so it's can, right. Now we have to underline. What we have to do, we have to underline the verbs in the following sentences and write whether they are transitive and intransitive. He boiled the water. Okay, we have to underline this and this is the transitive verb, right. Do you often use a typewriter? और ये भी transitive है, right. The robbers broke the fence. Again, this is transitive. I cannot find my bag. This is transitive. He cut the cake. Of course, this is transitive. Does she like the watch? This is again transitive, right. You have to underline the auxiliary verbs and also the main verbs that are helping, right. The farmer is, देखिए is क्या है, this is what, this is a main verb, right. I have eaten the food, this is have. Next is they were going to the market, it's were. My father will buy, will हो गया. The minister was, right. Now you have to do the fill in the blanks with can, could, cannot, could or could not. Dash your grandmother read books. Could your grandmother, क्या वो किताबें पढ़ती हैं. Can I borrow your bicycle? क्या मैं आपकी बाईसाइकिल ले सकता हूँ. I'm sorry, I dash understand you. I cannot understand you. Dash I use your car today. Can I use your car today? We dash meet you because we have missed the train. We could not meet you because we have missed the train. Now moving on to the next, you have to fill in the blanks with may not, might, and might not, right? Dash I allowed to take your book. May I allow to take your book? Right? It's a question. That is why question mark is present over here. My father said to me that I dash use his bike. I may not use his bike. कि मैं उनकी बाइक को use ना करूँ. Right? Dash I leave my bag here. May I leave my bag here? क्या मैं अपना बैग यहाँ पे रख के जा सकता हूँ? He has not hard work. He has not worked hard and he might not clear the exam. Right? He dash came to the party. He is unwell. He may not come to the party. He might not come to the party because he is unwell. Right? You have to do the fill in the blanks with will not, shall not. I dash meet you in the evening. I shall meet you in the evening. Right? I don't think that he will come. कि वो आएगा. Right? All right. I shall take the job. Dash what will you have for the breakfast? आप breakfast के लिए क्या खाएंगे? Moving on to the next, you have to fill in the blanks with would not, should, or should not. You dash keep your surroundings clean. You should keep your surroundings clean as it's the duty. Dash like to have a talk with your parents. You should. I should. Yes. I would like to talk to your parents. Dash give me this pen please. Would you please give me this pen please? Right? She promised that she would be late. She would not be late. Dash you like to try on this jacket. Would you like to try on this jacket? Moving on to the next, you have to complete it with must not, ought to, ought not, right? We dash help the poor. We ought to help the poor, right? You dash travel without a ticket. You must not travel without a ticket. बिना ticket के आप मत जाइए. We dash to touch the live wires. We should not, है ना? We must not. Children dash not eat too much sweet. Children ought not to eat many sweets. You have to rewrite the following imperative sentences that by using should as required. देखिए imperative sentences we all know it can be advised, it can be a request, okay, and it can be a command. When you are walking, you dash cross the road at zebra crossing only. देखिए I am not just rewriting, I am underlining. When you are walking, you के बाद आप लगा दीजिए should. You should cross the road at the zebra crossings only, right? You walk or cycle for short distance instead of driving. You just put over here, you should walk or cycle for short distance instead of driving, and rest of the sentences you will be doing it on your own. So that was all about verbs and auxiliary verbs. Please do learn all the correct use of will, shall, could, might, whatever auxiliary verbs and helping verbs we have studied, and keep revising the previous concepts. Stay blessed. Thank you.